Welcome back. In this tutorial we see how to create customer persona. What are customer personas? Personas are an important building block for successfully expanding your customer/user base. Customer personas are representations of those people who can become long-term customers. Think of the customer persona as a cheat sheet. A quick one-pager that you can use to fine-tune business decisions that impact customers. The best part is that a good customer persona will give you meaningful data about your target customers that you've been craving. Composite sketch. Technically, customer personas are like a composite sketch that represents those key target demographic segments that make up the most lucrative customers of your product or service. Audience segment. The persona is representative of a target market segment. For example, a target persona can be based on business size, or industry, or anything that's important for your business. Why are customer personas important? Customer personas can help all your teams develop a shared understanding of the target consumer group and grasp their desires and behavioral patterns firmly, and as a result, make decisions strategically instead of just intuitively. To create a customer persona, utilizing a standardized template proves highly effective. Here you can see the template which can be used to make a customer persona. For instance, consider the customer persona of Cristiano Ronaldo. Commencing with the customer's name and a brief biography, the template includes a visual representation through a picture. A key aspect involves incorporating one of the customer's quotes to provide insight into their mindset. The template then progresses to demographic information encompassing age, gender, education, employment, and location. Subsequently, personal information is explored, delving into the customer's goals, hobbies, personality type, and motivations. Lastly, and notably, the template addresses the customer's product experience. A parallel example follows the same format, featuring Bill Gates. These templates serve as invaluable tools for crafting comprehensive customer personas, offering a structured approach to understanding and defining the characteristics, preferences, and experiences of individuals. As these examples demonstrate, businesses that figure out how to build customer personas stand to profit from better ROI in their sales, marketing and advertising as well as other verticals. The persona development process is about empathizing with your users, and most importantly, deepening your understanding of who your customers are, what they need, and how your organization can serve them. The solution lies in building customer personas. They allow your teams to know your customers on a deeper level, which helps improve conversion rates. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comment section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.